If you see your check engine light stays on while your engine is running, then there's a possibility of stored codes. With the BlueDriver app, scan here or manually input VIN. Connect BlueDriver here. BlueDriver. If you're interested in purchasing BlueDriver, then click on the affiliate link in the description. Your purchase will help support the channel. BlueDriver will connect to your phone or pad via the app. Choose your option and the app will start the process. Once codes are read, you can send a copy to your technician or yourself, or print a copy. Then if you like, you can clear the codes yourself. But if you are looking to correct the problem, never clear the codes. Let your technician do a diagnostic before clearing codes. You can store your BlueDriver in your glove compartment, in here, or here.